in the fall. It's time to redo your strawberry plants to have beautiful, healthier strawberries next year, and especially no weeds. So we are going to make a cut with a spade perpendicular to the strawberry plants. We are going to remove a tiny bit of soil, mainly to cut the roots of any bindweed that might get inside. The difficulty in weeding the strawberry plants is using a tool, a hoe, a small hoe. It's always a bit tricky to maneuver between the strawberry plants. The ideal tool is a knife that will help us extract the roots of bindweed and couch grass, as well as cut the suckers from the strawberry plants that are currently invading our strawberry plant patch. Suckers have the particularity of occupying the ground to the detriment of the main plants, so we are going to remove them. Take advantage of weeding also on the eve of winter to remove all the leaves, bad leaves, and especially this fungal disease, which is a fungus, the black spot disease. You might find it again next year. You eliminate them, you burn them, you remove them from the strawberry plants area in any case. Now that our pack of strawberry plants is clean, we are going to give it a little bit of food to help it get through the winter better. For that, we will choose a special strawberry plant fertilizer. It's an organic, slow-release fertilizer, and we will put a small handful on each strawberry plant. It needs to be a little stronger when it comes out of winter and starts again with a good foundation. And finally, we will spread a poplar bark mulch so that our strawberry plants can stay warm and survive the winter outside. And the benefit is that it will also nourish our strawberries that will be clean in the spring. You got it. To have beautiful strawberries next year, you need to have a clean strawberry plant bed. They need to be weeded, the suckers removed, a strawberry plant fertilizer applied, diseased leaves removed, and finally a mulch applied. Here I brought some bark mulch, but you can also use flax straw.